fanciest weeknight dinner. Tender, juicy, crispy chicken thighs.
We're doing chicken thighs today. It's going to be the easiest sous vide meal you can do.
I think we do these for weeknight dinners, lunches, whatever.
Yeah, we do them. We make them, we leave them in the fridge. When we're hungry at night, we just put it on the pan, a couple of minutes, and we're ready to go. All we want to do is salt on both sides, a little bit of salt, and salt on this side. Want to do this side? Just a little bit. Okay, good. Today we chose thyme from our little, what's it called?
Arrow garden.
Arrow garden. I deboned it, I flattened it, I squared them off so they look a little better and they fry a little better, but definitely don't have to do that. You can take it straight from the casing, salt them, put them in the bag with the bone, everything, and it's good to go. So I like bagging mine flat. So one thing I've learned is to put the herbs on the meat side because the skin side is your presentation side. Okay.
All right, that's it. You don't need oil or anything?
Nothing else, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. So water displacement method, 1 hour at 165, and you have dinner ready. Heat up a non-stick pan to medium-high heat. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel and remember to remove the herbs, otherwise it will get burnt. Place the chicken in the pan skin side down. Press or weigh down the chicken to get an even browning across the skin. Be careful of the splatter. When the skin side is nice and golden brown, flip it to the meat side just to get a nice sear and to heat through. So after sous vide, put it on the blasting, not blasting because I use a non-stick, you don't want it to be too hot. So we use a non-stick, we put it on until the skin is brown. When I was a kid, we used to always have steamed chicken. And this,
I feel like you still eat it now when you go home.
We do still eat it now. Like, it's steamed chicken, is basically just steamed as its own sauce, and then I saved a little bit of the leftover sauce and I tasted it. And it tasted exactly like my childhood. Like, this is exactly what it would taste like. Nice, little salty, but full of chicken essence. Pay good stuff, good money for that stuff.
Yeah,
right?
that's
why
you buy your grandma.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Salt, pepper.
Oh yeah.
Gosh.
Here's our good Greek salt. This is the one that fell into your suitcase, that broke into your suitcase.
Why are you telling people this?
All right. All right.
Yes, 2 forks.
I'll cut a couple of pieces here. Looks really juicy. You can see the juice still coming out. Ooh, that was good. You hear a nice crunch.
I feel like you need more than 1 piece per person.
This is for tasting, all right? Yes, when you make it, you should probably make more than 1 piece per person. All right.
Well, actually, standard serving sizes of meat is like supposed to be like this much, right?
Like the size of a puck? Yeah, we're not like that.
Yeah.
When Carmen comes to my house, she's crying for vegetables. All right, let's give this a try.
Ah. Oi, your cutting skill is crap.
Very good. It's good, eh? So the sauce underneath is so simple. I put some peas, thawed it out, put into our Vitamix, put some mint, salt, a little bit of yogurt and milk. Beautiful sauce, so easy. So whatever you don't make, we just put in the fridge and we make it some other day when we're ready for dinner. So I usually do several batches at a time, like for the week. And then we have weeknight dinners and weekday lunches. You like?
You didn't say a single word.
All right, let's make one more.